When working with large datasets in Excel, adding a column or row is straightforward. To add a column, right-click on the column next to where you want the new column to be, and choose Insert. The same process applies for adding rows. However, there's a quicker way to insert columns or rows using keyboard shortcuts. Simply select the column or row where you want to make the insertion and press Ctrl +++ sign to add a column or row. Conversely, to remove a column or row, use Ctrl +-- sign. These shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, especially when dealing with extensive data tables. For a more detailed demonstration and additional tips, check out my video where I cover these methods and other ways to efficiently manage Excel tables. Let's explore adding a new column date of joining to our table and inputting dates. If any cells show errors, let's clear them and re-enter the dates to ensure the issue is resolved. Sometimes errors may persist, but for now, we'll proceed with the correct entries.